Hi everybody, Matthew with Quick Websites and Hosting here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your logo on the menu in Divi. So I'm on a page here that has a changing logo, and let's see how that works. So as I scroll down, you can see that the menu, not only is background changing in the menu, but the logo in the menu changes as well. So I'm starting with a white logo and I'm changing it to a black one. Alright, so let's see how we do that. First things first, you'll need two separate files for the logo, and you can see in my media library here I've got those, one white one, one black one. So we'll be using those, and you'll need to know the link to that. So if you don't know how to get that, you can open up the image and then copy the URL to the clipboard. That's how you get the link to the logo. So the next part is, I know I'm assuming that you have already set up your logo, or set up your menu with a logo in it. But the next part is in the theme options, we're going to add a little JavaScript code. So in Divi theme options, click integration, and in here you can see that I've got a script starting here, and boo on me for not tagging that so I know where it is, but it's at approximately 15 lines of text. You can see towards the top here there's two places for your logos. The default logo is the one you see first, that's my white one, and then the fixed logo is the second one that it changes to. So again, just a tiny little bit of JavaScript to get that done. Once you've got it all set up in there, then it'll switch just like mine does now. I will add that JavaScript to the blog post I'm writing for this, and if you can't get it there or can't copy it out of the video, then just let me know and I'll email it to you. Anyway, that's it. Nice and easy. Switching logos on the menu as you scroll down. So thanks for watching. If you have anything or any problems with it, just let me know. If there's anything else you'd like to see me do a tutorial on, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.